JDS Flying Canuck here. Ooh, what we have here is a storm. It's the beginning of it. We're gonna get 20 to I think 20 to 25 centimeters, something like that. You can see visibility's thing down there. Look down there at that light. See how much snow? It's about the only way you can see it right there. Yep, this is Nepean, Ontario. This is January 25th, and it is 6:15 p.m. This just started. It's going to be a bit of a nightmare here in Ottawa. Oh, look at that, eh? Look at that. You can see over to the lights there, the snow. Oh well. It is what it is. It's going to get bad. Look at that visibility. It looks like it's like when it rains, you can't see nothing. It's snowing pretty good. Anyways, JDS Flying Canuck over and out. You guys have a great evening and stay warm.